Okay guys, it is 11 o'clock at night and I have just moved into my investment property. I've had it for about 7 years. It is very old. It was built in the 1970s and I thought now would be the perfect time to come back and start renovating it. And I'm pretty much going to be doing it all myself. So we're looking at painting, ripping up the carpet and replacing it, pulling up the lino, varnishing the timber floors, and probably going to rip out and redo the kitchen as well. I will point out that I do not have renovation money, but I'm going to make this work. So we're just going to see how we go. I have done some renovations before, but I'm not at all a pro, and for the most part have no fucking clue what I'm doing and figuring it out as I go, which is kind of my thing. And at 11 o'clock at night, my brain will not shut up. So I've been YouTubing how to rip up carpet, how to rip up lino, and I just thought, let's rip up some lino. So as you can see, I decided to just make a start, because why fucking not, you know? This is actually really fun, not gonna lie. Now normally I think you're supposed to like cut it into sections and rip it that way because it's easier, but I clearly like to do things the hard way and I don't have a utility knife right now, so we're just having a moment and we're going to rip what we can and then go to bed. So follow for the journey.